Hi, hello, we're here at Lake Annette. It's so nice here, near Malin Canyon. So come and join me. Please don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and welcome again to our channel. If you're new to my channel, I am Ysay and I upload my travel vlogs every Tuesdays. So if you like my content, please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and click that notification bell to keep you updated. Annette has a scenic lakeshore hike with a beach that is frequented by locals on warm days. The beach is great for family fun near the water. Hiking distance is 2.4 kilometers circuit and it will take you only half to 1 hour hiking time. Lake Annette can be found by following Highway 16 towards Edmonton. Take the Malin Lake Road across the Athabasca River and make your first right towards Jasper Park Lodge. Take the left turn at 1 kilometer towards Lake Annette. There are picnic areas that you can stop at anywhere here, but we would continue to the last one, which is probably the most popular. From the picnic area, go south towards Lake Annette's lakeshore or beach. The hiking trail is a well-marked paved path with numerous displays that show the names of the surrounding mountains. This loop around the Lake Annette can also be done in a wheelchair with a little bit of effort near the end of the circuit. There is a hill that may pose some difficulty but should be fine for the majority. This is a nice introductory hiking loop around a very peaceful lake. Lake Annette's short hike will introduce you to the surrounding mountains and ranges while also displaying the unique properties of the glacial lakes. Here to picnic, barbecue, play frisbee, or just soaking up the rays as the sun really hits this area. If you are lucky, you might see the ospreys or bird of prey hunt for their food. They are known to frequent the area, as I can attest to. Watching them dive into the water and pulling out something you brag about after your fishing trip is something to behold. Wildlife is of abundance. As food attracts animals, please do not feed animals. Some get too close for comfort as these are wild animals and very unpredictable. Some animals include white-tailed deer, mule deer, bears, and elk. There is also a catacomb of hiking trails that originates from this area. The Parks Information Center can supply you with free maps. Area with plenty of things to do, as this is a large area with open spaces developed for everyone to enjoy the park beach setting like you would find like the parks in your city. This setting comes with a gorgeous view of the valley bottom, panoramic views of the majestic Rocky Mountains that surrounds Lake Annette. Take a walk around this glacial-fed lake and appreciate the wilderness without getting too far into the backcountry. This area is for day use only and the wardens will put out your fire if you stay too late. But there are vandals that make it bad for everyone, so please keep the area clean for everyone to enjoy.
Just be honest, I've been in my head. Reinforce my walls with all these hypotheticals. When it comes to you, no one really compares. But I'm scared and I'm nervous. I don't wanna get hurt anymore. I don't want nobody else. You know that you're fine as hell. I get ahead of myself. Finishing races and never beginning up. I don't want nobody else. You know that you're fine as hell. I get ahead of myself. I keep on telling myself, don't rush. It's a little crush. Don't need to worry about it. Don't need to figure it out. not taking it to clear my doubts. Cleared out all the clutter, I'm no longer seeing clouds. Yeah, you deserve much better. You deserve much better. And I deserve a chance at new love. I don't want nobody else. You know that you want as hell. I got ahead of myself. Finishing races will never begin now. I don't want nobody else. You know that you fun as hell. I get ahead of myself. Keep on telling myself, don't rush, crush, don't worry about it. Don't need to figure it out. Don't rush, a little crush, just let go. Don't need to figure it out. Don't rush, a little crush, need to worry about it. Don't need to figure it out. Don't rush, a little crush, just let go. Don't need to figure it to worry about it. Don't need to figure it out. Now don't rush. It's a little crush.
Go!
Sundiman, sundiman.
I caught that on video. Hey, Tasha, here. Okay, up to the gray car there. Come on, Kendrick, ready? Ready, set, go! Ah, grabe. Okay, stop.
Much fun, and the beauty of the lake is very spectacular, and the kids enjoy running all around the lake, and they would wish to jump in the water, but we are just dropping by. So I hope you enjoy watching, and I hope you enjoy the views, and we also enjoyed seeing wildlife along the roadside. So thank you for watching, you guys. I hope you enjoy, and please don't forget to like and subscribe.
Ato si Kendrick. Ah.
Oh!